Hello students, let us try to understand isoelectric point, quite important point. So isoelectric point is what student? The pH at which the Jupiter ion does not migrate in the electric field is called isoelectric point. Student, first of all we should know that is what is Jupiter ion. So Jupiter ion means that is that is any ions okay having what student having positive and negative charge both. Okay, so that is both is there means it will be the Jupiter ion. For example, one example you try to understand student. Suppose I am having COO minus, okay, and at the same time I am having NH3 plus, okay, and here is suppose H and here is R. So in this case, what are there student? Two ions are there, okay, positive and negative ion both are there. Okay, so both positive and negative ions are there. That is what is known as what student? That is Jupiter ion. Okay, so that you keep in mind. And what is isoelectric point? That is the pH at which the Jupiter ion does not migrate in electric field is called isoelectric point. Means Jupiter ion is there, it is having tendency to migrate, but what the pH at certain pH it do not migrate student, it will be the stagnant, and that pH is known as what student? Isoelectric point. Okay student, isoelectric point. Now let us understand the what are the other statement. Sulfonylic acids exist as a internal salt or dipolar ions, okay, and ampholytic called the Jupiter ion due to the presence of acidic SO3H and basic NH2 group. Due to Jupiter ions structure, sulfonylic acid has the high melting point, due to ionic character, and is practically insoluble in water and organic solvent, typical of the dipolar salt. Soluble in NaOH and insoluble in HCl. The strongly acidic NH3 plus transfer H plus to OH minus of NaOH and form a salt. Okay, this is there the salt formation, and therefore it is soluble in the NaOH, whereas SO3 minus is too weakly basic to accept the H plus from the acid HCl, hence insoluble in HCl. This all the points are not I am explaining, I just trying to explain isoelectric point. So you keep in mind student, what is the isoelectric point? The pH at which Jupiter ion does not migrate in the electric field is called the isoelectric point. Thank you so much for watching friend.